equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of tweezers. Start by unplugging your Dyson V12 Slim from the power source to ensure safety during the repair. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the back cover away from the main body of the vacuum. This may require a bit of force, but be cautious not to damage any clips. With the back cover removed, you will see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the vacuum. This will help maintain the performance of your machine. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Now, locate the screws securing the motor in place. Using your Phillips screwdriver again, remove these screws. Once the screws are out, gently lift the motor out of its housing. Be careful with the wiring connected to the motor. You may need to use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off any clips holding the wires in place. After removing the old motor, take your new motor and align it with the housing. Ensure that the wiring is properly connected, and secure the motor in place with the screws you previously removed. It's crucial to ensure everything is tight but not overly so, as this could damage the components. Once the motor is secured, replace the back cover of the vacuum. Align it properly and press it down until you hear a click, indicating that it's locked in place. Now, replace the screws on the back cover, ensuring they are tightened securely. Before testing your vacuum, take a moment to clean any tools or debris from your workspace. If you need assistance, remember we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you know exactly what needs to be done before you commit to any repairs. Finally, plug your Dyson V12 Slim back in and turn it on to test the new motor. Listen for any unusual sounds and check that it's functioning correctly. If everything sounds good, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. We also offer a quote before repair, so you can be informed of any costs upfront. Congratulations on completing this repair. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.